Good morning, students. Today we are continuing the history part now. Next topic is merchant corporation. Merchant corporations are financial institutions. They provide business loans and act as underwriter. Major role of merchant corporations are providing finance, promotional activities, brokers in stock exchange, advice in project management, etc. These corporations were organized on formal basis and framed their own rules of membership and professional code of conduct, which even kings were supposed to accept and respect. Next is major trade centers. There were all kinds of towns, port towns, manufacturing towns, mercantile towns, and the sacred centers, etc. Their existence indicates prosperity of merchant communities and professional classes. There were so many leading trade centers in ancient India. These are Patliputra, Peshawar, Takshila, Indraprastha, Mathura, Varanasi, Mithila, Ujjain, Surat, Kanchi, Madura, etc. So now next, major exports and imports. Exports consisted of species, wheat, sugar, indigo, cotton, pearls, crystal, granites, copper, etc. Imports included horses, animal products, Chinese silk, wine, gold, silver, tin, glass, coral, etc. So now what is the position of Indian subcontinent in world economy? Between the 1st and 7th century CE, India is estimated to have the largest economy of ancient and the medieval world. The country was often referred to as Swarnbhumi and Swarndeep in the writings of the many travelers. Before British rule, Indian history was an age of the prosperity for Indian economy. Then, after British Empire, British changed the condition of Indian economy from an exporter of processed goods to the importer of manufactured goods. So after that, India begins to reindustrialize. After independence, the process of rebuilding the economy started and India went for centralized planning. The first 5-year plan was implemented in 1952. Despite of all efforts, the Indian economy could not develop a rapid pace. But in the present scenario, Indian economy is considered as the one of the fastest growing economies in the world and a preferred destination for foreign direct investment. The recent initiatives of the Government of India such as Make in India, Skill India, Digital India are expected to help the economy in terms of exports and imports and trade balance. So again an assignment is there for you. Do it as directed. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.